MCQs Chapter 5. Which animals live in the soil? Earthworm. Next one. What do caterpillars feed on? Leaves. Next. Why do sunbirds visit flowers? To drink nectar. Next. Which animal live in both water and on land? Frog. Fifth. What is soil made up of? Rocks, leaves, roots, stem and dead animals. Sixth one. Which animal uses tree hollow to hide and rest? Squirrel. Seventh one. Which birds uses hollows in trees to bring up its young one? Owls and also barbet. Eighth one. What do tailor birds use to build their nest? Twigs. Ninth. Which animal munches on leaves for food? Answer: caterpillar. Chapter 5. Plants and animals live together. Important notes. First one. Elephants feed on grass. Second one. A moth resting on a leaf. Fourth. Earthworms on leaves and soil. Fifth. A tailor bird singing. Sixth. A woodpecker on a tree trunk. Seventh. Ants building their nest using leaves. Eighth. A colorful sting bug on leaf. Ninth. A frog resting on a leaf. 10th. A butterfly perched on a leaf. 11th. Squirrels using tree hollow to hide and rest. 12th. A barbet using a tree hollow for nesting. 13. Soil is the topmost layer of the earth's surface. Next one. 14th. How is soil made, or what is soil made up of? Soil is made from rocks that have been broken up into tiny pieces, old leaves, roots, stem, and living and dead animals like insects. 15th. Soil has many insects and other creatures living in it. 16th. Name the insects and creatures on the top layer of soil. Answer: ants, termites, small beetles and grasshoppers. 17th. Name the insects and creatures found during the rainy season. Answer: earthworms and millipedes. 18th. Animals, birds and insects use different parts of plants for food, shelter and resting. For example, camels eat leaves of plants. B. Birds like owls use hollows in the tree to bring up their young ones. C. Squirrels and crows use twigs from plants to build their nest and to bring up their young ones. D. Monkeys love eating the fruits of plants. C. Sunbirds and butterflies drink nectar from different flowers. F. Tailor birds stitch leaves of plants to build their nest. G. Bats and leopards use the branches of trees to rest and for shelter. H. Caterpillars munch on different leaves of plants for food. Chapter 6. Living in harmony. First one. Which are the uninvited animals, insects and birds that visit our homes? Animals: rats, mice, snake. B. Birds: pigeon, sparrow, crows. C. Insect: ants, mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroaches, spiders. Second one. How do we take care of plants and animals in our homes? By giving them water, food and shelter. Third. We should never hurt or harm animals, even if we don't like them. Fourth. Animals do not harm us unless they feel threatened by us. Fifth. What did Shambhu see on the mango tree? Answer: the mango tree was home to birds, squirrels, monkeys and animals. Shambhu saw a monkey eating a mango. Sixth. How do plants and animals help each other? Plants provide animals with fruits and the animals eat the fruits. Also, by dispersing seeds in different places when new plants emerge. 7th. Name the different things we get from plants. or uses of plants? Answer: fruits, vegetables, medicines, fiber for clothes, wood for our houses, shade, shelter, fresh air, etc. Eighth one: how are we dependent on plants and animals? Answer: for food, shelter, clothing, and company. Ninth one: plants and animals depend on each other for food and shelter. 10th, how do you look after plants and animals in your surrounding? Answer: we can provide care, protection, food, and shelter to plants and animals. 11th, how do animals like squirrels and plants maintain harmony and friends? Answer: thousands of trees are accidentally planted by squirrels as they bury and forget where they hid them. When it rains, the seeds germinate and a new plant is born. 12th, how we must treat animals? Answer: we must treat them with respect, kindness, care, and compassion. 13th, what do we get from animals? Answer: we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. Next one, we get wool from sheep. Next, we get loving company from pet animals like dogs, cats, hamsters, etc. 14th, how do animals help plants? Answer: by dispersing seeds. Next one, animals make the soil fertile through their waste. 15th, how can you treat stray animals? Answer: keep a bowl of water outside the house. Keep a bowl of food outside the house. Keep a blanket outside the house so the stray animals can come and sit on it. 16th, plants and animals need our care and support. 17th, name animals and birds that have: A. two legs, ostrich, penguins, parrots, chicken, kangaroos. B. four legs, cow, dogs, cats, turtles, frogs. C. six legs, ants, butterflies, grasshoppers, dragonflies. D. eight legs, spiders, mites, ticks. 18th, grey wagtail birds, commonly known as Valati Kuruvi in Tamil. They come during winter from the mountains to warmer places. 19. Why these birds are called wagtails, or why are Valati Kuruvi birds called wagtails? Answer: as they wag their long tails up and down.